This is a Halbach Array that I've made. The arrow points to the north side, which is also the strong side. So what you could see is that the strong side sticks pretty strongly and the weak side doesn't stick very strongly at all. And this is only made with 3 magnets, and these are the type of magnets it's made with. These are N42 neodymium magnets. They are 3/8 by 3/8 by 3/4. And they are the lines, the magnetization is this way. So the north side would be like that. That's the north side facing up, and the south side facing down long ways. So anyway, what I'd like to do, now the compass, the red end of the compass is pointing north. Keep in mind that the Earth's geographic North Pole is actually its magnetic South Pole. So here I have my Halbach Array, and the North Pole is pointing that way. Now watch what it does to the compass as I move it closer from the west. Okay, so right about there, you can see the compass is pointing northeast. It's repelling the North Pole of the Halbach Array. Now, when I turn it around, now look how far away that is. That's like maybe 12 or 14 inches away. Now, when I turn it around, it's not quite pointing 45 degrees at northwest. It has to be much, much closer. Like 3 or 4 inches closer. So that's the point I want to make. The Halbach Array not only has a stronger side and a weaker side, but it also extends out further away. The north side extends further out than the south side extends. So this should be relevant to magnetic propulsion. If we had a magnet in space and it was swinging side to side near the Earth's northern geographical northern pole, or in New York State as I am, and it was swinging side to side like that, it would be more likely to swing more forward like that from the centrifugal force of its physical mass inertia as the magnetic fields interact with Earth's magnetic field. So I'm just considering, I can't show this, but I'm just considering this would be a good use for a Halbach Array on magnets for magnetic propulsion in a satellite in orbit. So thanks for watching. Give me a like, a subscribe, and stay tuned.